So boom, oils. This one will realistically be filled up soon because I think I'm going to stop buying 1 ounce oils because at this point it doesn't really make sense. But I do like to buy them for scents that I haven't tried out yet. And when I was making the fandom candles, I would buy the 1 ounce because some of those scents I only use for those candles. But they're going bye-bye after this month. So we'll be sticking with the 4 ounces. I'm actually going to make that announcement about the fandom candles right now. So it'll be up on Instagram. If you didn't see it on Instagram and you want to grab a fandom candle, now is the time because I'm taking them off after the 31st of this month and they will be no more. I might bring them back every now and again as like a little collection, but they're not going to be in the shop 24/7 like they are. I have to get rid of this balloon. It's in here because it scares the crap out of my dogs. This is all we have to go through today. Now in this, let's just flip the address. Now this is probably the most important package right now because I believe this is my new tripod. So we're gonna open this so that hopefully this makes my recording life a little easier. So hold on. I just realized that my bedroom door was open and that the TV was on. So if you heard, I think it's Ice Road Trucking that's on in there because I just had the TV on for the dogs. I'm sorry, but this is my tripod. So this is a huge tech. I heard Alicia Marie, one of my favorite YouTubers, she linked it in one of her videos and it wasn't expensive. And I was like, you know what? We're gonna get this because it is not only a tripod, it comes with a flash and then it has a remote. I did buy it used because 99% of the time when it's used, it's literally just somebody opened it and they didn't want it. So I'm gonna open this up and show you what it looks like. So forgive me, I had a moment. This is not a flash. I don't know why it looks like that on the screen. It is actually the holder for your phone. It kind of looks like a flash there, not gonna lie. But this is what it is. Because when I saw that, I was like, I don't remember it coming with a freaking flash. But we'll see, make sure I'm not missing anything. But this is the remote. It actually has like its own little place on the tripod so that when you're not using it, if you're someone like me, you don't lose it. So I think, yeah, you just pop it out and then there's an on and off switch. And it connects to your phone via YouTube, via Bluetooth. And then you can shoot pictures. Like you just gotta hide the remote in your photos and take a picture. So let's see how the tripod looks, like how it looks for y'all to see me while you're on the tripod, if that makes sense. Guys, it is so awesome. I can even start the video from over here with my remote. So this is perfect. This is perfect. I can even stop recording. This isn't even as high as y'all can go. There's like 3 more notches I can go up. I think it's 6 feet tall. So we love it. We love it. I'm so in love with this thing. In love with this thing, okay? Hands-free unboxings again. Like, I don't have to hold the phone. Awesome. Okay. This right here and this back here are both jars. So we're not even gonna open that right now because I'm trying to just open the stuff that's gonna help me organize the mess I already have out here. And these jars, there's like, there's way too many. I believe there's 6 in each of these. I ordered 12 packs of 12. And then I have another box somewhere in this house that has 24 in them. So we gotta figure out where we're gonna put all those. But in here, let's see. Because anybody else order way too much stuff on Amazon and then be like, what the heck is this? Because that's me. But I do think that this is the baskets and some other stuff. They're so pretty. very cute. I will take them out in a minute. I also got these. Oh, there's two. Got these little pot leaf molds so I can make some 420 wax melts and little embeds for my 420 candles. I'm so excited. So these are really cute. I need to figure out where I'm putting my molds. Probably in one of these baskets. We'll see. And then there's a fragrance in here. This is the champagne fragrance so that I can add a little spice to my cucumber melon spritz candle. So it has a little champagne scent. And candle signs didn't have champagne, so your girl had to go elsewhere. So let's open these baskets because honestly, I'm a teensy bit worried about the size. I ordered the right size. It says that 11-inch baskets can fit in here. These are, I think, 10.5. I'm sorry if I'm like awkwardly placed in here. Okay, now I'm a little more centered, but oh yeah, they'll be perfect. Look, I'm gonna pull them back a bit so you can see. Oh, like that. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be so cute. So they're just pink, and they got beige at the bottom, at the top. Super cute. We love. Like, they're gonna fit perfectly. Okay, so the next thing we got is another organizational thing. So this, you can't really see it. Let me see it. I'm getting rid of these. Well, I'm not gonna get rid of them. I'm gonna use them to store out of season clothes in the closet because we don't have a lot of closet space here, so it doesn't make sense to throw them out. I don't need them in here anymore. They're gonna be repurposed. So the only thing that's in there right now is paper, cardstock paper, sticker paper. That's all gonna go in a basket, and then my herbs. Now, I'm kind of sick and tired of having to go into a drawer to get my herbs every single time. And I see a lot of people have these cute little wooden shelves or like wooden armoires full of herbs, and it's so beautiful and it's so nice, but I just don't think it would be as productive for me. So what I did was I bought a magnetic spice rack. And what that is it's this little spice rack that you hang on the wall. It's a metal plate, and it gives you all of the little sticky sticks to hang it up. So no drilling. We're gonna just stick it up on the wall. And yeah, what you do is you take these little canisters, you put your herbs inside. There's like little shake, and then you have the, let me show you. And you have like for thinner, finer herbs, this is shake. So this is a 12 pack. I don't think I'm gonna fill all of them because I don't think I have 12. Like, I'm only gonna use the ones that are like full, that are actually fill the whole canister, and some of them are kind of low, so I'm gonna be putting them in right now. I also have 2 tiny candle science packages, which I'm only assuming are oils because they feel entirely too small to be wicks, which is what I ordered too. So I think this is just, okay, it's just the bottom. Free sample discount. Oh, okay. So this is all one thing. The free sample is probably somewhere in one of these other bags, but this is the hemp fragrance for the 420 candles. I'm so excited. And to be completely honest with you, I have no idea what fragrance this is. I'm cutting this open like there's not a tab. And there goes candy. What is this? Blueberry cobbler. I forgot. Where did I get this? Oh. Another candle that's coming this update that's gonna be like a surprise. The vlog will see it first. What am I doing? That's how you know I'm tired. I need a coffee. But the vlog will hear about it first, I promise. I'm gonna cut this portion a little short because I know Kenji's annoying. But I wanted to show y'all, if some of your packages arrive via UPS, know that it is solely because for International Women's Month, UPS had these beautiful mailers that have all these different types of women on them. And it's just beautiful. Like, I love it. So I will be shipping larger orders in these boxes until I run out. I wanted to do my part and donate $1. Wasn't that much, but donate $1 and get these boxes. And UPS is already like part of Shopify, so it's completely easy to use. So if you see some of your orders arriving via UPS, just know that that's why. Solely for the boxes, solely to support women. We had to do it. So that is everything that is gonna help me right now. I will open these jars in a bit. Oh, the piece de resistance is this box right here, which is my new work table. So once I get that table cleaned off, I'm gonna put this together. I hope it doesn't take all day. Like, I really hate putting shit together. I really do. But I need it. So I will see y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna clean up, put this work table together, and then we're gonna get to fucking work because I have to prepare for this up. Like, seriously. All right, bras, it is significantly later in the night. It is, I think, almost 2 in the morning, so it's technically the next day, but I wanted to show you the progress. So I put all of the baskets in the bottom. They look really cute. I will be going into detail with everything in my studio makeover vlog, so that'll be up sometime next week. But I did want to show you all of the inventory and how it looks all set up. So this is the bug off candle, and this is the Mimi's blueberry cobbler. So this is an exclusive. The vlog is seeing it first. So if you're watching this vlog right now, I haven't posted this anywhere yet. It wasn't in the preview for the spring candles. So this is a new fragrance. The update is happening on my grandma's birthday, so I wanted to make a candle that was for her, that reminded me of her, kind of like how I have Great Mommy's banana bread for my great grandmother, which will also be coming back this update. So I think those two are going to stick around because I do want to keep some fragrances in the shop for people who are not witchy or want spiritual candles. So I think this one looks so pretty and it smells like blueberry cobbler. Everything looks so nice. Everything here. I also set up my new work table and I set up my new my spice rack. So it's a magnetic spice rack that I have for all of my herbs that I use for my candles. And here right now I have some candles setting. This is one of the lavender kush candles that I made. I am waiting for it to set so I could just put the in bed in another one. And then there's 3 munchies candles that are ready. The labels are ready. This is what I'll be working on tomorrow, which is oils and the rest of these little tiny mini traveling witch kits. So this is what I'm going to be working on tomorrow. My desk is pretty much clean. Banshee's in here sleeping. I need to throw out that apple juice container, but everything is clean and neat. I also put most of the jars. These are jars. This is still jars, but all of the jars in here, excuse my dirty socks, but all of the socks in here and the socks. I need to go to sleep. All of the jars in here in that box right there are actually for the next round of Get That Money candles that are going to be going to pressed. I'm taking the final 3 to work tomorrow along with these plants for my boss and my manager. Look how pretty. They're so beautiful. They're gonna love them. And then I also have my supply closet, which is pretty organized. You know, it's good. It's working organized. You know, we are mid-update. I also have this cart here that I have to figure out what the heck I'm going to do with all of this stuff. It needs to get clearanced or finished or whatever. So I have a lot of stuff in here. Some of it is actually orders also. So, ta-da! Everything looks neat and organized. I am going to continue this vlog. So I don't know when it will go up. It'll probably go up on Sunday so that you guys can see how the update goes and all of the completed inventory. So I just wanted to show you guys how I was beginning to organize. Oh, we also have the Pineapple Express candle, which is the first candle I've made of the 420 collection. It is complete. There's only going to be 2 of each of these candles for the update, and if they do well, I will bring back more next update. But yeah, so we're gonna have 2 lavender kush, 2 munchies. There's 3 because I'm actually gonna send one to my dad, but and I made 3 pineapple express, but I'm sending one to my brother, and then I'm sending my grandma one of her candles, the one that's made after her. So that is an order that is going for pickup tomorrow. So we are on track. Like I said, I'm going to continue this vlog so you guys can see, you know, the finished product and how the update goes. So I'm going to continue that part of the vlog tomorrow. I'm going to go to sleep. And I think it's going to be like a week in, like a day in my life plus get ready for the update because I have to work. So I'll show y'all some of that, what happens at work, maybe. But if not, be prepared for more studio shenanigans. We have a lot of stuff to get finished. Like I said, we got to finish oils. We have to finish candles. And I have some herb bundles that I need to finish. So all of that will be in the next part, which is probably going to be next week's studio vlog. So I will see y'all then. I love y'all. As usual, stay beautiful, keep shining, and I will see y'all in my next vlog.